Welcome back to the shop. It's Tuesday, the 29th of May, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
All right, that's right. It's Tuesday instead of Monday. That's because yesterday was a holiday, Memorial Day.
Yeah.
All right, let's start where we always do, and let's talk about who was here this weekend. On Friday, Michael come in and stayed the whole weekend.
Yes, he
He was
did.
here Friday, Saturday, and Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and most of the day Monday. So yeah, we actually kind of hit him for over a 4-day period. Jay and Tangy came by on Saturday and seen us for a little while, come up and watched her brother graduate from high school, and then they came over and hung out with us for a little while. We didn't get to do much work because it was raining. And then yesterday and Sunday, Daniel, Kimmy, Butterbean, and Sue all come over and hung out with us for a while. So we had a pretty busy weekend
yes,
this
we
weekend.
did.
A lot of folks over, so busy weekend.
A lot of good food.
All right, let's talk about this week in the shop, what we did, what we were working on. Okay, Mom and I went through several of these boxes. As you all know, we have been collecting glass. We've got milk glass and carnival glass and
green glass,
pink glass, Depression era glass. Just tons of glass that we have collected over the years that is doing nothing more than sitting in boxes, and we really need space more than we need glass. So we boxed up a lot of that. We went through a lot of it, cleaned up. We really forgot how much neat stuff we had.
Yeah, we had some cool stuff.
But anyhow, we went through that. We've wrapped it up. We're going to be taking that to the market and start getting rid of that, just simply because we no longer have room for it, and it's kind of outside what we're collecting right now. We also looked through the cedar boards that we've got around here. Now, this is stuff that we've already got cut up, already in the shed that Michael and I built. And also out there in the wood pile, I guess you call it, lumber pile. And we got some really neat boards for some interesting projects that are going to be coming up. And I think it's going to be some pretty interesting projects that we'll bring y'all along on, or bring them along with us. Okay. Daniel and I did several small jobs on his truck this week, and he even did some welding. And Daniel did the welding, come out really, really good. Did a really good job. Did a lot of almost like tack welding. Did some expansion metal and stuff that he did a really good job on. We did that with the Alpha TIG 200, and it held up great even on the 110 volt on about 100-foot extension cord. Did really well. Didn't pop the breakers or anything. Then let's see, on Monday, on Monday, yesterday, Daniel and I worked on his mailbox. Now, this is just kind of the rough shape of it. We're going to bring you back when we finish this up. I think it's going to be a cool build.
I think it's going to be
really,
cute.
really good. Something that Daniel and Kimmy have wanted. So we're going to be working on that probably over the next week or two on that. All right, let's move on. Now let's talk about projects completed. Now, as you know, we don't usually do a lot of projects and get them completed through the week. It's usually kind of the week before we go to a show that everything kind of ties up and we get a lot of things done. A little different this time. Michael come in, did some turning on the lathe here and turned several pencils and several pens. And he actually turned one for my nurse here that I'm going to be taking in tomorrow. And then he turned several that he did some stuff with some dye, and they came out really looking good and interesting.
My ink dyes that I made.
He did a bunch of turning. I think he's going to come back and turn some more with us in the next couple of weeks. Kimmy and Sue did some interesting stuff too.
Yes,
they did some resin pours and come up with some really, really neat stuff. Yeah, why don't you grab a couple of those? But they're really kind of getting into these, or Kim is, and got Sue interested in these resin pours, and they're coming up with some neat and pretty stuff. Now, Kimmy come up with some firework looking ones that she did. Now that is really, really interesting. But I kind of think this is my favorite because of the blue, and it kind of reminds me of my dad because Dad always loved blue. But some pretty interesting stuff. They did some other ones out there that you're going to have to wait to see. Then Mom and I found some, what would you call that? A Statue of Liberty wall hanging, vanity sitting.
Got a mirror on it.
Yeah, it's got a little mirror on it. It's got a picture of the, or not actually a picture of Statue of Liberty, but a cutout of the Statue of Liberty. We found a little, I guess you'd call DIY craft set box. Apparently we got somewhere along the line. We found that upstairs while we were cleaning through all the glass or going through all the glass. And we put that together. It was actually kind of a neat looking little thing. So we really got 3 projects done right there. So
holds a candle.
Kind of a neat thing there. All right, let's move on. All right, now let's talk about shows and markets. Markets and shows, there's not a lot of changes there. 15th, 16th, and 17th, that's right, over Father's Day weekend. We are going to be up at the Lakewood 400 Antiques Market up in Cummings, Georgia. I'll probably get there Friday and do Friday by myself. We don't think for sure, or don't know for sure anyway, that Mama's going to be able to make it. So I'll probably be up there Friday by myself unless Michael comes in the afternoon and kind of hangs out with me. Saturday, Mom will try to drive up there and be with me. Otherwise, I'll be up there the whole weekend by myself. So I will be up there. So if y'all want to text me over Father's Day weekend, that's where I'll be. Give me a holler or so and let me hear from you. I don't really have a whole lot that I want though. I was trying to think of things that I want. I really don't.
Always need clamps.
Yeah, I always need clamps. I always need glue and stuff like that. But really, there's not a whole lot that I personally want. A couple of big items that I want, but I really don't have the space to even use the big items. So really don't have a whole lot. So I'd sure like to hear from you on Father's Day weekend if you can. Now let's talk about the next show that we got planned, and that is Mule Days. Now, Mule Day, unlike what I said last time. Last time I said Callaway Plantation. That's wrong. I said Callaway Garden last time.
Right.
And it is actually Callaway Plantation over here in Wilkes County, not Callaway Gardens all the way across the state. So we will be in Wilkes County, Washington, Georgia, Callaway Plantation on the 13th of October. I know that seems like a long way away, but it's sneaking up on us quick, and it won't be long. So again, if y'all can make it to that, it's really a neat show. Even if you don't come hang out with us in the booth, if you just come up there and walk around, it's really neat. They have
watch the forgers, yeah.
They have everything you probably ever want to see. Really good
museum
food, really good shows, museum type stuff, mule poles, old tractors I think will be there. So a lot of really neat stuff. So if you can make it up that, go ahead and put that on your calendar. Saturday the 13th of October, and that's going to be 2018. Alrighty, let's move on. Alright, now let's talk about what's upcoming for Two Dogs. Well, if it stops raining long enough, I'm going to get out there on the sawmill, and I'm going to mill up some pine, or saw up some pine, because we need the pine for the projects and stuff really badly. If it doesn't stop raining, I'm going to build an ark. It is crazy. I don't want to exaggerate, but it has been raining a lot. I mean, it was so bad earlier today, just before we started the video, a school of fish knocked on the door and asked if they can come in and dry off. It's crazy.
Yes.
The ducks in galoshes and rain, it's just crazy.
Ducks are just in muck.
It's horrible. But anyhow, if it stops raining, that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to make some wooden flags. Those wooden flags like we made for Mr. Ben. If you don't know what we're talking about,
version.
Smaller version. Check out our Facebook page and you'll see what we're talking about. Michael and Emily, you know what we're talking about there. Y'all did the lead build on that one. We also want to start on a black walnut table. Now, we're not actually going to get the table built, but there's some things I want to do and some things I want to start looking at. Mama needs some small black walnut pieces. So I may go ahead and start on that, but I really don't have any plans to finish that maybe for a month or two, but I do think I want to go ahead and get started on that. And then, what's it?
Wall art.
What's that?
Wall art.
Wall art. What about it?
We need to start doing some wall art.
Okay, we're going to start doing some wall art. Yeah, don't be cryptic, just say it, okay? But yeah, we're going to start doing some wall art, but we'll talk more about that later. We got some things going on. But we're going to actually work on that, I think, this week, right?
Yeah.
For that, so we're going to be doing that.
And you got to cut the wood.
Yeah, we'll get that all squared away for you, and that'll be some interesting stuff. And then we're going to try to finish up on Daniel's mailbox. And now that's going to be an interesting build. It looks like just a funky box now, but wait till we're done with it. It's going to be a really neat project there, I think.
It actually looks like a fish house.
Kind of looks like a fish. Okay. All right. Well, that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything?
Other than Father's Day? Nope. I got it all.
All right. Well, as always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop.